Okay, welcome back to the Caribou Data Science channel. We're continuing our analysis of the ever-popular furniture sale data set. We're on project 2 of the Python the Python coding sessions. The data. Let's see if ChatGPT is in a mood to help us see. Now some people say no. Can means are you able. My guess is, of course it will. Of course it's going to help. Okay. First, so let's give it this data. Now, what am I using? I am using let's go to the latest version. Okay. Oh, let's go ahead and try to upload the wrong thing. Here, upload from file. How odd. What am I doing wrong here? Why can't I upload? Maybe it doesn't work. Interesting. Okay. So here's our first requirement. And as usual, we should have stopped by the chat session and say hi. Create customer profiles. So the subject for this evening is customer segmentation. So create a customer profile by analyzing total sales and total customers. Very good. So let's get rid of this. Get rid of this. This way we'll matter of fact, let's go ahead and just run this section right here real quick. Just so we can just verify that we got some data. Looks good. So back over to see if it's what it's got us here. Here's the Python code, the snippet. to create customer profiles by summarizing total sales and total profit per customer, along with a plot to visualize the top customers based on sales and profits. Let's go over here. Let's change this. Okay, let's make a slight change. Back over here, do a Control Z to get rid of that. Now come folks, I know some of you there in the background watching over my shoulder. Stop by that chat session and say, and of course as always what? Click the subscribe button, click the like button, click the bell icon to be notified whenever I go live, alright? I'm going to make one change here also. In order to produce a table of contents, all you can do is just so they just do a group by function here, okay? Total sales, aggregate function, sum. Let's see, so we're going to say top customers based on the customer profile, sort values, total sales, ascending. Now what about, then we come down here, top customers, total profits. Let's see what happens here. Okay. Now here is the annoying thing about this. I shouldn't have to go back and rerun this code every single time. Oh, very nice indeed. Do I have So you see how one question leads to another? And we want to change this to show, right? Let's try this then. So we could get rid of this, right? put that in there. So let's come back up here. Let's load our goodies again. Okay, so let's come back over here, make sure we got everything. Hmm. Well, of course you don't really need this. Right, we already got that. You actually don't need that either, but let's rerun this. Oh no, use iTools, not, jeez. Let's see. Okay, that's just for the fun of it. Let's install see if we can install Ace Tools. Come. I know you're in the background there. You know, stop by the chat session and say hi. By the way, I had a big turnout for last week's video. It's like 190 people viewed the video last week, which is big for me. Okay, 100, anything above 50 is a victory for me, and 190 certainly is a big victory. So we'll see if this actually works. If not, we'll have to use pip to install it. You would certainly think Conda would have ACE tools, right? And of course the data is available on Kaggle, okay? Hmm. Okay. So let's try this again. Now you saw me install it, right? You saw me install it. And we don't need this, okay? Although if we left that in there, we'd be able to run the code without without starting over again. Okay, let's do that. This isn't the most efficient way to do it, but it gets hard of reloading the data. Oh no, what's this? Directory. Oh. So here's our table, okay? Top 10 customers by total profit, top 10 customers by total sales. Good. So we're going to call that a victory for now. Let's take a group of customers with market segment, provide total number of customers and profit. Okay. Does that actually create the table? I don't know. Interesting. Okay. let's just see what this initial plot, what this initial thing looks like. Yeah, why didn't it work? Because we didn't rerun the code at the top. Let's just see if this runs so we can check out our now basically I'm going to do the first 3 questions this evening, then finish up with 4 and 5 on Wednesday, okay? Well, it's interesting, it didn't appear. No, this is still in the drafts. This is still in the draft portion of the of our HTML report creation, because you come back, adjust the titles, so to get so that the table of contents is a little different. Let's come up here. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let's see. Okay, what he does here is he comes back. I forget which one this was now. Alright, so this is the market segment one. That looks good. That looks good. Excellent. Very nice. Okay. Their respective regions. Number 3. Okay. Let's run this one more time from the top. Now, you define a table of contents entry by using 1 to 3 hashes, okay? 4 doesn't work. Let's run it one more time now, see if we can get the table of contents to work. And a nice 30-minute session. we're missing something here. See, that's why we saw 1 and 3, but not 2. Now, this is the last chance you to speak now, forever hold your peace. What happened there? Sometimes I don't understand this. Sometimes it acts if there's still something there, a file in the background or something like that. Like a lock file or something, what comes to mind. So let's close this. Take a look over here. This is it. Going once, going twice. You see, here's our table of contents. So that's not perfect, but you get the general idea, okay? All right. And let's just take a quick screenshot of this table here. There. And with that, my friends, I'm going to call it a night. Thanks so much. A good 33-minute session. We got the first 3 of 5 plots requirements completed. So I'll see you on Wednesday night. We'll wrap up 4 and where we